If you're looking for additional source of income and an online business that you can start with very little capital, then affiliate marketing is your sure bet. Hi there, welcome to Smart Skills of TV, where we talk about how to make money online. And in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing on a platform called Digistem. Now, whether you have signed up to Digistem and you don't know how to find your way around, or you're just here to learn, please stick with me. So I know you already know what affiliate marketing is about, but just a little illustration I like to always use to drive home the point is the story of people who sell phones in popular phone and accessories markets. So if you live in Lagos, Nigeria, you'll be familiar with a popular phone accessory market called Computer Village. Now, the boys who stand by the roadside and convince you to patronize a particular phone store isn't usually the owner of the shop. But when they bring customers to the shop owner, they get paid a commission after the deal has been finalized. I don't know if you've ever come across such whenever you go to those markets. That's how affiliate marketing typically works. So you can make money online by selling other people's products and earning a commission from the product owners. All right. Now there are many affiliate marketing network platforms out there that you can sign up with, get access to their marketplaces and start selling and earning commissions. And usually the products, being sold are digital products, meaning products you can't actually see physically. They're not tangible um physical products, but their impacts can be felt physically. All right. For instance, somebody who is looking to relocate to Canada can actually get a product that teaches them how to relocate to Canada, how to start the process and everything. And at the end of the day, the person can actually successfully relocate to Canada. So it is actually a product, a digital product that actually teaches you, how to achieve this goal. All right. So like I said, there are many affiliate marketing platforms out there that you can sign up with, get access to the marketplace, and start selling and earning commissions on the digital products. There are many of them out there, but I'm not going to be talking about, those other ones. But I want to talk about a particular one called Digistem. So the reason why I love Digistem is because you get to earn commissions in dollars, which is a good thing if you live in third world countries like Nigeria, where our naira has been, badly devalued and it just keeps going up every day, except for now that it's beginning to come down at the time of doing this video. So we are going to be running through Digistem and how it actually works and how you can actually sign up onto the platform. To get to the home page of Digistem, the first thing you have to do, of course, is to come to your Google search and start to type Digistem. All right. So once you start to type Digistem, it will pop up the name and then you can click on it. And we are just going to be running through the home page to see how it looks like before we delve into other things. So this is how the home page looks like. So you can actually take out this adverts here so that it doesn't confuse you. All right. So it says learn, sell, and earn. We instantly connect vendors to buyers through our active affiliates, making your profits our priority. So I just want you to see some of the things that are on the platform. So they say key features: easy withdrawal, e-learning platform, link shortener, live chats, and you can also join their community. So they also have a growing community. I think they have communities on Telegram, on Twitter, and on other social media platforms that actually makes, learning, selling, and, it makes learning and selling fun in the sense that you can actually get to interact with people who are like you. All right. Then featured products, discover our featured products that can help you achieve your goals. So they are trying to, outline or feature some of the products they have on their marketplaces. All right. So how it works. So you can just see some updates or some information on how to get started with Digistem. So there are two ways to get signed up to start making money on Digistem. So the first is to sign up directly through the website with $10. I'm going to be showing you that much later. And the second is to buy a course called the Ultimate Money Machine Pro course, which goes for $20. All right. So the Ultimate Money Machine Pro course is a digital marketing course that teaches you how to become a guru in digital marketing, so you can sell any affiliate marketing product and earn a lot of dollars. Now, registering directly on the platform doesn't give you access to this course. And if you're new to the online space, you may struggle to make sales. So it is usually advisable that you buy the course directly, because it still gives you access to the marketplace also. All right. So if you're here and you're interested in getting started with Digistem, so you can start generating income in dollars already. I'm going to be leaving the link to register in the description of this video. That is the link to register for the $20 path, and so that you can get access to that course. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of this video so you can go on to register. So make sure you check it out. All right. So after buying the course, login details are sent to your email, and you also get access to the digital marketplace with a unique username and password. All right. But then if you want to get started on the platform directly, you just come to Google and then you type in Digistem, and then it brings you here. It brings you to this place, and then you can start to browse through where it says get started. Or there is even a button above that you can just click on, and then click on get started, and then you'll be taken to the registration page where you can now input your details and then pay the $10 and then get access to the marketplace directly. But you don't get access to the course, which is actually a guide, right? That's the UMM course. That's the Ultimate Money Machine course, which takes you through everything you need to know, to make the most of digital marketing and the platform itself. All right. But then if you have signed up through if you've signed up through the course, all right, you're going to be getting your the access to the course and then access to the marketplace as well. So let's say you have registered now. Anyhow, you've registered, you're going to be logging in, and then it's going to be bringing you up to a platform like this. So once you are on the platform, once you've logged in, this is what you get to see. All right. So they have the e-learning space where you actually get to learn you get to get some information on how the platform works, like basic information that is available for everybody, right? Then we have this dashboard here. I'll click on the dashboard, and let's see what we have there. So on this dashboard, this is actually a new account. It's not been used. So the dashboard is where you're going to be seeing your balance. Like when you start to make money, you're going to be seeing your balance. You're going to be seeing the total clicks from products, like the links you've sent out. You're going to be seeing how many clicks have been performed on those links, and then you're going to be seeing total actions, rejected commission. So basically, this is like a dashboard that shows you everything that is going on, your activity on the platform. All right. Then deal of the day, the Ultimate Money Machine course. So this is actually the major course on this platform, because this is the course that gives you access to the platform if you're not going through the website directly. All right. And a lot of people sell this course. I'm going to be saying something about that much later. So we have membership. So let's click on membership, and you're going to be seeing your plans, your plan info, your plan history, and all that. Then this is the main place, which is the marketplace, that brings you into an array of several digital products that have been listed out by different product owners, right? So people create products and then they list it here, and then you know they put a certain commission plan for their affiliates who are going to be selling it. So for me, for instance, I have a product on Facebook and Instagram ads. So if I want, I can actually list that product here on this marketplace and then give people access to sell it at a certain commission rate. So whenever people buy that product, I actually get a part of the commission, and the affiliates who facilitates the sale also get a part of the commission, a commission from the sale and all that. So that is how it works. So there are actually different products here that you can actually promote and start to make money. Like one of the things that a lot of people do not also understand is that when they sign up, they want to start selling the course. So it's actually a good thing, but then there are many courses here that you can also promote. All right. So it's not just the Ultimate Money Machine course that you can actually promote. There are a lot of courses here that you can actually promote that would make you good money as well. All right. So you can just go through the market list and see which of the products can actually sell. So one of the things I advise people to do is to select a product in a niche that you're comfortable with. And not just that, select a product in a niche that you can easily sell and also talk about. And also select a product in a niche that is marketable. All right. So the truth is that it is not all niches that are actually market. So one of the best niches that you can actually select products from is the money making niche. And here we have products that talks about how people can make money, more money. Like people, of course, people like to, hear about information that would help them to make more money. So you can just browse through and check out some other products aside from this UMM course that can help people to make more money, whether on the online space or even offline. Like, and also products that can also help people to improve or make their businesses better. All right. And also products around relationship, beauty, and lifestyle niche also make they also move faster. So you can just go through and check out the products and see which one you feel you can actually sell better. And then once you've selected the products, when you click on promote, you're going to be getting access to the product link. So when you copy the link, you can now go on to share the link on the platforms where you want to actually promote the products. But then one thing you want to avoid doing is to share this link everywhere. Like, just avoid sharing the link on under people's comment section, because it can be really annoying. All right, so you have to be very strategic about your marketing, and this is why you actually have to get the course, the UMM course, so that you can learn how to go about this. All right, so once you click on promote, you get your affiliate link. And then if you click on download, you're going to be getting access to the course materials that you can use to promote the product. All right? So like I said earlier, to get the most of the platform, it is advisable to get the course, as it will teach you the set of skills you need to succeed as an affiliate marketer. All right. So the first step is to go to the video description of this tutorial. Go to the video description and use the link to register. All right. And I'm also going to be dropping the link to my WhatsApp so that you can come through if you have any further questions, so that we can iron it out together. So the link I'm going to be dropping is my own affiliate link that you can use to register through the UMM course. And then I can guarantee that when you register through this course, you're going to be getting support from me. All right. So in as much as you're going to be getting access to that course, you're also going to be getting a lot of support from me as well, because I'm going to be guiding you on the next steps to take. All right. So that is that about affiliate marketing on this platform called Digistem. It is actually a platform that you can use to do affiliate marketing and earn a dollar income with. I know a lot of people who are currently cashing out from this platform, and you can be the next super affiliate if you take action right now by going to the comment section and using the link to sign up with the UMM course. One last thing before we go: if you are just stumbling on this channel for the first time, please hit on the subscribe button so that you won't miss out when I post similar videos like this. I'm also going to be doing a number of videos around affiliate marketing that would also help you. So if you are not yet subscribed, just hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out when I roll out these tutorials that are going to be helping you on your affiliate marketing journey. All right, so this is where I'm going to be drawing the curtain on this tutorial, and I'll see you in subsequent videos. Bye for now.